What's up, y'all? It's your favorite wig girl, and I'm back with another video. And this unit is from Allove Hair. She is a 24-inch body wave closure unit, and as you can see, she's pre-colored. I did pre-pluck and pre-bleach this unit off camera, and I washed it after that. So here I'm straightening. After I straighten, I did layer her just so we can do some curls. This hair straightened beautifully. As you can see, I'm only doing one pass of my flat iron and it is getting super straight, so I love that about her. After all the straightening was done, I decided to heat up my wand. If you didn't know, once you wash and let your hair air dry, if you are going to curl her, you need to flat iron it first. If not, your curls are going to get tangled up, it's going to be frizzy, and it's not going to be a good look. Didn't use any product on her. I just let her do her own thing. Wand curls usually last a lot longer than regular curls, but this hair was super silky that it didn't really hold a curl that well. What I think I'll do next time is actually use some setting spray, and I think the curls will last a lot longer. I'm going to install this wig like I do all my other wigs. Glue her down, and then I still seam the lace just a touch, so to blend that in, I spray some freeze spray right on top of that, and girl, she melted right in. Here's the wig with half of it curled. I didn't pin curl it, so the curls have fallen just a little bit already. I find that it's kind of easier to curl the wig while it's on my head, so I had to, slap her on real quick. And I'm gonna pin curl this side just to see if the curls held a little bit better. So here is me taking out my pin curls. So as you can see, it does curl. This is with no product again, but the curls did not last as long as I wanted them to. So honestly, I ended up just going back in with my flat iron and straightening her so she could be nice and silky and sleek. Now I'm just going to go in and do my baby hairs. If you look really closely, You can see my bruised forehead. This is from my wig caps being way too tight. And I would recommend not letting that happen because it takes forever for these things to go away. After all that jazz, this is how the body curls turned out. I actually like my hair in body curls better than super tight curls. I feel like it gives you a Farrah Fawcett look. But like I said, I did end up going back in with my straightener to make her sleek. And this is what she looked like. Got so many compliments. Loving the peanut butter color. Yes. So if you wanted to pick up this wig, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.